έγινε ένα βήμα, δηλαδή πήγαμε ένα σκαλί παραπάνω, το οποίο ήταν υποχρεωτικό σκαλί για να πάμε στα επόμενα.
We went one step further. We took a step necessary to continue with the rest of the procedure. We sent our investigator down to Israel. A mandatory part of the process is over, but it wasn't easy. There were some back-outs on the Israeli side. They did not cooperate, and I mean that clearly in the administrative sense of the word, as we expected, since we were informed by the civil authorities that this issue was just a matter between the private management of the port and the ship-owning companies.
Είναι θέμα πλέον διαχείρισης μεταξύ οργανισμών λιμένους και της εταιρείας.
Instead, the Israeli Ministry of Defense was involved and tried to delay the procedure. We were in contact, though, with certain friendly lawyers in Israel who provided legal counsel. In any case, the handling of this matter was not the best there could be, in the sense that more weight was given to the Defense Ministry's demand than they deserved. We evaluated the situation. Time is pressing and we wanted to proceed. So, we decided to go on and take the matter in our own hands. We informed the Israeli side that we are sending our investigators. They responded that we couldn't send them yet, that the matter is yet to be settled. We said that as far as we are concerned, we believe that the matter is settled. Whatever obstacle may be brought forth from now on is a political issue, and we will raise it as such. We will create a political and diplomatic dispute. We will push for a crisis.
Θεωρούμε ότι όπως έγινε με την Τουρκία σε μια στιγμή που η κυβέρνηση του Ισραήλ βρέθηκε σε...
We believe that what the Turkish government did in mid-summer, when Israel was in a defensive position, allowing the Turks to get their ships back, that same thing should be done regarding the rest of the ships. Our people went to Israel. They lost 2 days there. We exerted some pressure, in the positive meaning of the word, to certain people in the Greek side that had previously showed some interest in the case. The required move was made. The Greek embassy in Israel got interested, and personally the ambassador, Mr. Loukakis, who also was interested back then, when we were captured. We set apart the people who stand for what they understand that is right, as we do. The right interventions were made, and they seemed to bring results. As in Monday evening, we had a phone call announcing that the problem was resolved. On Tuesday morning at 10 o'clock, our people boarded a small boat and went to inspect the 2 ships in Haifa. It should be noted that even though the ships and we were taken to Ashdod, later the Israelis took the ships to Haifa in a military-controlled area. Yesterday the inspections were carried out, though not in the best way possible. There was very little time given. The overall procedure was unacceptable, according to the international standards of ships inspection. Despite the small time margin that was given to the investigators, they formed an opinion and reached conclusions that are useful to us. Some meetings also took place yesterday afternoon in order to prepare the next step, to bring the ships back home.
Οι άνθρωποι κάτω έβγαλαν συμπεράσματα, τα οποία μας είναι χρήσιμα. Έγιναν και κάποιες συναντήσεις χτες το απόγευμα, έτσι ώστε να προετοιμαστεί το αμέσως επόμενο στάδιο που είναι να φέρουμε στο Αγγλία.